Hey folks, it's me, it's Christy. This is the last video for Health Week 3. I just want to go over the last few questions here about sexual harassment. So, question 1. Have you ever seen someone be sexually harassed? Describe the situation without providing names. What did the harasser do that was inappropriate? What did the victim do in response? If you don't have an example, it's okay. You can breeze through that question and go to the next one. What is the difference between flirting and harassing? Because I feel like sometimes people really don't know the difference. So, you want to be aware that people perceive the things you say differently than, say, like you are perceiving them when you speak. So, I'm curious as to what you guys think here. So, what is the difference? How can you tell when someone's flirting versus someone being disrespectful and inappropriate and harassing someone? Last question. Describe a made-up situation where someone's being sexually harassed at school and answer the following questions. Who's involved? What happened? Like, what was the incident? What was the harassment? How did the victim initially respond to the harassment? What did the victim do after to protect themselves from the harasser? And how did it affect the victim's health? You can answer those in a paragraph, or you can just answer them out bullet point by bullet point. This is it for week 3, folks. I know it looks like a lot, but here's the deal. I'm going to be pretty lenient with grading, so if you need to skip 1 or 2 or a few because of whatever reason you're not getting it or you're frustrated, it's fine. Just try to get through as much as you can and send it to me when you are done, so that, or not, you don't even need to send it because I can see your doc, but at least send me an email letting me know that you're submitting it. And before I sign off here, I just want to go back to Schoology. So again, I'm in my courses, and click on health, and then all of the folders pop up. You're going to the yellow folder this week. It says Health Week 3. You have the notes up here. That's the first doc. You have the directions. That's the second doc. And then you have 1, 2, 3, and this will be the 4th video. Also, you can access all 4 videos, links for all 4 videos in the actual directions doc. And remember, I went over this in the first video. You are going to follow the directions up here, right? And part of those directions involve copying and pasting this entire document into a new Google Doc, then naming it and sharing it with me. This is really important. If you don't do this, everybody's going to be looking at the same doc, and it will be it's going to get confusing. So please make sure you follow these directions before you start answering any questions. Email me, text me, call me, Schoology me, any of the above. Let me know how I can help. I miss you guys. And that's all I have. Oh, remember, this is all going to be due Tuesday the 28th. That is a week from today, which is plenty of time, I think. Alright, I hope you have a good rest of your week, and it was good, quote unquote, seeing you guys, even though I'm not seeing you and you're seeing me. I hope that the assignment goes well, and just contact me if you have any questions. Alright, bye guys.